guys, Ron from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be doing a 2017 Toyota Corolla Hood removal. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification. If you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts stores. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is lift up the hood. And you're going to see right here is going to be your windshield washer fluid hose. You're going to have to take it off on over there. So to take that off, all you do is hold on it. Actually, you can just loosen it up, pull it off. And then right here also, take it off, and that's pretty much it. So on this one right here, it's going to be a 12 millimeter right there. I'm going to do this by myself, but usually you should get another person to help you out disconnect the hood. But let's see if I can do it by myself today. I'm going to do it by myself. Or maybe leave this one behind.
Hey guys, just a quick tip. You want to put something soft here on the corners so you don't crack your windshield, you don't break the windshield cowl, or you don't bend the corners of your hood or scratch the paint off.
Take off that other bolt. I'm going to show you guys how I do this by myself. That's one way to take it off. So today I didn't have a helper, but my mom needs to get this car back to her. So there you go. Just did it by myself. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and flip the hood upside down. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all these accessories right here. Alright, so we're gonna take off these nozzles right here. So I believe you just pry up on it. Okay. So you gotta go from here and then push back, and then it'll release it from here. Let's try that on the other side. So again, just push back like that, and then it'll release. So it looks like you can just take it off from here. Just wiggle it out. Yeah. And then slide it out. Then over here is going to be a clip. So if you have a flathead, you can just pry it up like this, or if you have one of these tools, which is like a panel removal tool, you can use this. Makes it a lot easier, like that. And then again on this side right here, just wiggle it out. You got all these clips right here. You take off the clip right here, and then this circle thing. This is to adjust your hood to the proper height. Take that off. have these like a rubber piece right here. Let's see if I put you guys on this side. So if you guys have a flathead, you guys can just insert it right here and take these little tabs off. But I have one of these panel remover tool sets, so just pry up. Take that off. And then remember this last one right here. Take that off. And that should be everything for the hood. So I'm gonna take that off in a few seconds here. Alright, so on the new hood, just putting back all the accessories you took off. This one right here. So nothing right on this thing right here. You can adjust that later, but you're gonna see kind of where it ended. I'm sorry. You can see where it kind of ended right here. So it's gonna be all the way to the top. So just screw it in, and then you can adjust it later. All right. So now you have these windshield washers. These windshield washer nozzles right here, so the line. So let's go ahead and put it down right here. Go ahead and clip that in, and then you're gonna put the hose underneath here, and then underneath here, so the little hose comes out of here. Then on this nozzle right here, just remember to hook it up first, like that, and then push it back a little bit, and then put it in first, and then press down. There you go. And you should hear it click. That should be right in place. Do the same thing on the other side. So the only difference here is that you're gonna put the nozzle in first and then hook it up. Hook it up. And then remember that little rubber piece? Go ahead and put it back in place. Alright, so now to put the hood back on, you're gonna need another person. But I'm gonna put that off camera because the other person doesn't want to be on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how we did it in a couple seconds here. Alright guys, so this is how we did it. One person on one side, the other person on one side. You see I put one bolt in, secure it, and then I put this rod right here, and I put it back in where it's supposed to be, where it belongs, right there on the top portion of the hood. And then I went ahead and put one bolt in here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the bolts up. To get that last bolt in, you gotta lift up on the hood. Okay, now we're gonna put that hose right there back into place. So now I'm going to close the hood and check the alignment. So you guys can see the alignment's a little bit off. So that's why you don't tighten up the bolts right away. Right there. So the hood needs to come forward and then shift a little bit over here. Alright, so the alignment's a lot better on this side. But now you're gonna go ahead and check the alignment in the front. So push it all the way down. As you guys see right here, it's really tight. So remember that little rubber piece that I said you're gonna be able to adjust? I'm gonna go ahead and adjust that on this side. On this side also, you guys can see that hood is a little bit too far down on the headlight, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust that rubber piece also. So on this piece that I'm adjusting right here, you just twist it like that and just kind of play around with it and see how high you want it. You're never going to get it right on the first try. It's probably going to take multiple tries, but if we're lucky enough, maybe we can get it on the first try. Actually, I got it the first try. This one's good right here, but right here the headlight is damaged, so it's protruding in a little bit more, and then the fender needs to be pushed in a little bit more. But all in all, that's really how you adjust a hood. But on this case right here, the fender and the headlight is misaligned, so I will have to fix that on another video. Alright guys, so that's how you install a hood on a 2017 Toyota Corolla, but it also comes in a 2014 to 2018, I believe, Toyota Corolla. So if you guys like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on push notification. And also, if you guys need any prepaid auto body parts, go to ReveMoto.com. Your prepaid auto body parts. Thank you.